Okay, there's a new tool for Tower Fantasy players. Will let you access your wish history or your order history. As you can see here, this is the overview. This is the full overview of all the pulls you have. Unlike in Genshin, you can actually access all the pulls, and there's no time limit on um, how old the pulls can be. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, we're gonna hit request new orders, so all the data will be deleted. What you need to enter here is your user ID. The user ID is in the right bottom corner of your screen in game if you open the game. Mine is not private, it's on YouTube videos available, so I'll just type it 13001739.4 and it will look for my account through the system as you can see right here. I've already skipped the first step. If you look this up, it will ask you to hide your CS in the settings. You go into the settings, the normal game settings after you open the menu, and you hit settings. And then in the first section, the basic section, you scroll down, go to display preferences, and then you activate hide CS. It can take a while until the system updates here. It depends on how quick the API refreshes. Once that's done and recognized, you will also have to change your game avatar, your avatar character. So let me pull that one up. You will have to remove whatever avatar you have and select this one here. This is the female standard avatar, which every single player should have access to. And you will just put it on and wait for the API to refresh. Usually it takes around 5 minutes at max if you're lucky and you do the changes like 30 seconds before the API refreshes, you will obviously get it fast. I've done these steps already since we've been testing the system in the background, so it will not ask me for these steps right now. Okay. The next thing after you hit your CS, you'll hit continue. Even though you hit your CS, the system will obviously still be able to see your CS. So what you do is you go to your Wanderers section, which is if you open the backpack and then you hit Wanderers, and then you still have your CS visible there. Mine is right now 60,319, which I will enter right here, and then hit continue. After that, it will gather all the information for your wish history. It will take up to 30 seconds. Right now, you see your timer, which determines how fast it will go, and it should be done, exactly. And then here you have all your information. Now, the banners are split. There's the black nucleus banner, the gold nucleus banner, the Claudia, Cobalt B, Nemesis, Frigg, Ruby, whatever. And then obviously the Matrix pulse banners. Sakifua, I just did one pull earlier to check if the Sakifua banner is functional. And as you can see here, I have one pull right here, and after that I stopped. I got Nemesis banner at the start. I didn't pull the Nemesis at all. I got pretty unlucky and only one SSR, which was on Pity. So if we check the weapon Nemesis banner, which is here, and we scroll down, as you can see, oh, it was Meryl. I didn't even remember that. Great. Next thing I pulled on Freak, I got her pretty quite early. Cobalt B was also quite early. As you can see right here, oh, that's the Matrix. That's not the weapon. As you can see right here, I got her. By the way, the entry number here does not represent the pity entry. Keep that in mind. The entry number is how many pulls you've done on that banner. So this is not first pity on Cobalt banner. It's actually first pull on Cobalt B banner when it was available. So your pity could be 50 and the number here will be 1. So don't get confused by that. Obviously, here is also a checkbox you can tick to hide the blue and green pulls. You will mostly see the green pulls on the black nucleus banner. Yeah, the blue ones, I don't think you can get green pulls. I could be wrong. Yeah, I guess they're all blue. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Next thing I want to talk about, yeah, you can have the overview stats, which is your total pulse. The black nucleus, I did 2,156. Gold one 756, and then red one 370. Then matrix pulls 290, and then event matrix pulls almost 50. Here we have an overview how many SSRs you got on each banner essentially. 10 on the scam banner, that's pretty good. I think 16 on the gold nucleus, also pretty good. 7 on the SSR limited one. by 370 pulls. And then here you have the average pull stats. So essentially we'll calculate this amount divided by this amount equals this amount. So you have an average pull stat of 214 before you get an SSR on the scan banner in my case. You have an average pull amount of 45 before you get an SSR on my gold banner. And then the average 35 on the limited banner on my account. And then here the matrix stuff. For the matrix, I only pulled on the freak one. I got, oh, that's a freak weapon. I bet freak matrix. I got 2 SSRs, and therefore you see, only ever completed one pity, and yeah, it is 20 per SSRs basically on average. And yeah, that's it for the wish history. Now there's another feature on this website, which is the Scryglass. Works with your user ID too, and here it also works with your nickname. The auto history would also work with nickname. The only reason it doesn't is for privacy reasons. The user ID here you can enter is usually private unless you're a content creator or streamer. Um, yeah, but for normal from normal players it's hidden, so not everybody can access your auto history. So if you enter your user ID here, which I will do really quick, you can search up your account, which is right here. It's crying the results, and the server is having issues right now. Okay, it's fine. I will show you in a bit. But I've been working on a Discord bot which can do the same thing. Basically, a Discord version of the website. As you can see right here, okay, the command timed out already, and I will probably not be able to pull it up since the API is down. But if you run the account command, if it works, you can pull up your stats. As you can see here, yeah, the weapons I have equipped, the thing should work now, if I remember correctly. Why is it not working? Ah, I was on EU. Okay. If I try user ID now, 17394. There we go. This is my profile. And as you can see here, same weapons, same stats. We have here the stats overview. Um, as you can see here, same stats. Crit is there, my flame attack, and yeah. The Discord bot is not public yet. I'll publish it in a couple of days. I still need to polish some stuff, as there is a few bugs here and there. And yeah, I hope you enjoy these tools. Inton has been working on it for a while. I've been assisting him in some stuff, making sure he has the data he needs from the game files and everything. And there's more coming to the website. And there's been talks about some features. Whether he's gonna implement it or not is a different question. But yeah, take care and yeah, see ya.